Now sum number 12. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers. Positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4. First 40, that means 40 integers, 40 terms. But in these you have to find which are divisible by 6. That means 6, 12, AP becomes 6, 12, 18 and so on. So you have to take up to 40 terms. Now A is equals to 6, D is equals to 12 minus 6, D is also equals to 6, and you have to find Sn. N is equals to 40, it is given to us. So Sn is equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. N upon 2, 40 upon 2, 2a, 2 into 6 plus 40 minus 1 into D. D is also 6. That is 20, 12 plus 39 into 6. What we get here? That is 20 multiply 12 plus 234. When we add these, 20 into 246. So that is equals to 4920. It is your answer. Now sum number 15. 13 and 14 are same. So sum number 15, what is given to us? The contractor has to job and penalty for delay of completion. And how is the penalty? Penalty is rupees 200 first day, rupees 250 second day, then 300 on third day, up to how many days? 30 days. And you have to find total amount paid as penalty. Here A is equals to 200, it is given. D is equals to 250 minus 200, that is equals to 50, and N is equals to 30. It is given to us and we have to find Sn. Sn is equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. That means 30 upon 2, 2a plus 30 minus 1 into D. D is 50. And A, what is A? 2 into 200. A is this. Plus 29 into 50. Multiply these two also. We get 15, 400 plus 1450. That means 15 multiplied by 1850, and that is your answer, rupees 27,750 he has paid as a penalty. Sum number 16. In 16 sum, Sn is given to you 700. N is equal to 7. Cash prices, 7 cash prices are given. Then D is equals to minus 20. Why? Because minus 20 rupees less than the preceding price. D is equals to minus 20. So let A is equals to first price. We suppose first price is equals to A. So we have to solve and find the value of A. Sn is equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now 700 is equals to 7 upon 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1 into D. We get here 700 multiplied by 2 upon 7. 7 upon 2 moves to left hand side, that becomes 2 upon 7. 2a plus 6d. And D, what is D? D given here is 2a plus 6 multiplied by minus 20. 200 minus, that becomes minus 120. Minus 120 moves to this side, plus 120, that is equals to 2a. Now 320 is equals to 2a. Then what is a? Divided by 2, a is equals to 160. So first price is equals to rupees 160. Then what is second price? 160 minus 20, that is 140. Then third price, 140 minus 20, that is 120. Then fourth price, 120 minus 20, that is 100. Then fifth price, 100 minus 20, that is 80. Then sixth price, 80 minus 20, that is 60. And seventh price is equals to 60 minus 20, that is equals to 40. All these are answers, price of each, cost of each price. Now next sum is, in a school there are classes from 1 to 12. That means sum number 17, classes given 1, 2, 3 up to 12. These classes are given 1 to 12. It means A is equals to 1, D is equals to 2 minus 1, that is equals to 1, AN is equals to 12. AN is equals to 12. Now we can say N is also equals to 12, and trees planted are 1, 2, 3 up to 12 terms. Up to 12 terms. Trees planted are 1, 2, 3 up to 12 terms. Now total numbers of trees planted, that means total number of trees planted by one section, because we are taking only one class and one section, that is equals to Sn. Sn is equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We get n is 12, 12 upon 2, 2a, 2 multiplied by 1 plus n minus 1, 12 minus 1, and d is 1. 2 6 are 12, 6, 2 plus 11, that is equals to 78. 6 multiplied by 13, that is 78. So trees planted by 3 sections. Then what you will do? You will multiply 78 by 3. So we get the answer, that is 234. It is your answer. Now next sum number 18. Sum number 18 is, a spiral figure is given to you. Spiral made up of successive semicircles. R1 is given, R2 is given, R1 is equals to 0.5, R2 is equals to 1, then R3 is equals to 1.5. It means it is an AP because difference is same here. Now what to do? we will start from semicircle. Semicircle means length of spiral. Length of spiral is equals to semicircle, circumference of the semicircle, that is C1. C1 upon 2 semicircle plus C2 upon 2 plus C3 upon 2. C1 is 2 pi r1, circumference of the circle. We have done half of this. It means that there is a semicircle. So C1 upon 2, that is semicircle. Semicircle 1, semicircle 2, then semicircle 3, up to how many semicircles? Semicircle 13. There are 13 semicircles. Now what is the formula of circumference? 2 pi r1. So this value becomes pi r1 plus pi r2 plus pi r3 up to pi r13. Pi can be common. So r1 plus r2 plus r3 up to r13. Up to r13. Now pi, solve this by using formula Sn. How to add these? R1 plus R2 plus R3. We will add these by using the formula Sn. Sn, formula of Sn is equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Pi n upon 2. N is here. What is n? N is equals to 13. It is given to us. There are 13 consecutive semicircles. So that means n is 13. 13 upon 2, 2a. A is r1. R1 is 0.5. 2 multiplied by 0.5 plus n minus 1, 13 minus 1, d. What is d here? D is equals to 1.0 minus 0.5. That means d is equals to 0.5. Now next, pi is 22 upon 7, 13 upon 2, 1 plus 12 multiplied by 5 upon 10. 5 2s are 2 6 are. 22 upon 7, 13 upon 2, 1 plus 6. 22 upon 7, 13 upon 2 into 7. 7 and 7 cut off, 2 11s are. Then answer is 143. So 143 centimeter, that is your answer. Now next one, sum number 18. Sum number 18 we have done. Now sum number 19. Sum number 19 is 200 logs are given. That means Sn is equals to 200. Sum of logs according to the figure that is given to us. 20 in the bottom row, 20, then 19, then 18 and so on. So this become an AP. A is equals to 20, D is equals to minus 1. Because 19 minus 20, that is minus 1. Now what you have to find? You have to find Sn is equals to n upon 2. Sn is given to us, so we will use the formula of Sn. Sn is equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 200 is equals to n upon 2, n is not given to us, we have to find 2a, 2 multiplied by 20 plus n minus 1 and d is minus 1. N upon 2, 40 minus n plus 1. It becomes 2 moves to that side, so that will be multiplied n 41 minus n. Again we got the quadratic equation 41n minus n square. So make it convert in quadratic, n square minus 41n plus 400, that is equals to 0. Now again using splitting middle value, we will find the value of n. N square minus 25n minus 16n plus 400, that is equals to 0. 25 16s are 400. N is common, n minus 25 minus 16 is common, n minus 25, that is equals to 0. N minus 16 and n minus 25, there are two pairs. Now we can find the value. N minus 16 is equals to 0, n is equals to 16. N minus 25 is equals to 0, n is equals to 25. Both answers are positive. Now we have to find which answer is the exact one. So n is equal to 16. Put n is equals to 16 in and find the value of an. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is, what is a? A is 20 plus 16 minus 1. What is d here? D is minus 1. 20 plus 15 into minus 1. 20 minus 15, a is equals to 5. An is equals to 5. Now, other side, when we solve, put n is equals to 16 in the formula an. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. We get 20 plus 16 minus 1 into d. D is, put n is equals to 25. N is equals to 25. So 25 minus 1, that becomes 20 minus 20 plus 24 multiplied by minus 1. We get 20 minus 24, that is minus 4. So log cannot be negative, so this value will be rejected. Then answer will be answer n is equals to 16 and an is equals to 5. It is your answer. Now last sum of this exercise. That sum is, in the potato race, 5 meters from the first potato, that means A is given 5, A is equals to 5, and then 3 meter apart from the next time. So D is equals to 3, A2 is equals to 5 plus 3, that is 8. Then A3 is equals to 8 plus 3, that is 11. According to the statement, A is equals to 5, D is equals to 3, and what the question is? Question is find the total distance. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? And how to run? He runs back with it. He runs back with it. That means there is double distance covered. Double distance. How can we solve that? We solve that by using distance between distance traveled distance travelled is equals to 2 times, double distance is used, so 2 times Sn. How to find Sn? Sn is equals to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is given. What is n? N is given to you, that is how many potatoes are here? 10 potatoes are here. That means n is given to us, n is equals to 10. So 10 upon 2, 2a, a is 5 plus 10 minus 1 into d, d is 3. 5 into 10 plus 9 into 3, what that is? That is 5, 10 plus 27, 5 into 37, that is equals to 185. So distance travelled is equals to 2 times Sn. Fill the value of Sn here. 2 into 185, that is 370 meter. It is your answer.